Jai Hind everyone. Myself Dr. Prem Kumar Srivastava, Assistant Professor in Applied Science and Mathematics, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today we will discuss about calculation of double integral over a given region. Introduction is a double integral is an extension of a single integral to dimension used to complete the volume under a surface over a given region in the plane. It is written as double integral R fxy dA, where fxy is the function being integrated, R is the region over which the integral is evaluated, and dA represents the differential area element, typically dx dy or dy dx. This is depending on the order of the integration. For this, we given some example here. Example 1. Evaluate double integral dx square plus y square dx dy, where d is the region bounded by y is equal to x, y is equal to x, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 2x, and y is equal to 2a, and y is equal to 2a. From this integral, first of all we make figure. Y is equal to x is the equation of a straight line passing through origin. This is y is equal to x, and y is equal to 2x. This is also equation of a straight line passing through origin. This is y is equal to 2x, and y is equal to 2a. This is equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. OX is x-axis, and this is y equal to 2a. The given region of integrals is O, A, B. We make horizontal strip. Horizontal strip. X, this is lower limit. X, this is upper limit. Y, this is lower limit. Y, this is upper limit. So x varies from y by 2 to y, and y varies from 0 to 2a. So final integral is double integral x square plus y square dx dy is equal to 0 to 2a dy y by 2 to y x square plus y square dx. Here limit is function of y. So first we integrate with respect to x. 0 to 2a dy is constant. X square y square dx, integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus y square into x, limit y by 2 to y. 0 to 2a dy, first put limit upper limit y, to y cube by 3 plus y cube, then minus lower limit minus y cube upon 24 minus y cube by 3, or 0 to 2a 19 by 24 y cube dy. Again integrating y cube with respect to y, the integration of y cube is y to power 4 by 4, limit 0 to 2a, to 19 by 24 y 4 by 4, limit 0 to 2a is equal to 19 by 24 y 4 and 2a to the power 4 upon 4. The 2a to the power 4 means 2a 2 to the power 4 मतलब 2a into 2a into 2a into 2a 2 to 4 to 8 16 a to the power 4 by 4. So finally simplify, after simplify the result is 19 by 6 a to the power 4. So sometimes limits are not given, then the region of integration, we also find limit from this region of integration. Next question. Next question is evaluate double integral a x square plus y square dx dy, where a is the triangle with vertices 0 1 1 0 and 1 2. The region is bounded by the lines. In this question, the region is triangle whose vertices are 0 1 1 0 1 2. So first of all, we make the figure. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. 0 1, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 1. This is also lies on 0 into 1. This is denoted by C. 1 0, x coordinate is 1, y is 0. It is also lies on x-axis. This is denoted by A. 1 0 and 1 2. 1 2 both are lie in first quadrant. It is denoted by B. 1 2. BC, CA, AB. The area of integration, is BCA is BCA. The coordinate of B is 1 2, the coordinate of C is 0 1. The equation of line passing through 2 points. One point is 1 1 and x1 y1. Second point is C 0 and x2 y2. The equation of line passing through 2 points is y equal to x plus 1 from the formula. Next, equation of line also passing through 2 points. The coordinate of C is 0 1 and coordinate of A is 1 0. The equation of line passing through point 0 1 and x1 y1 1 0 x2 y2. It is also obtained y is equal to 1 minus x. The region of integration is BCA. This is vertical strip. Vertical strip, y 1 minus x and upper limit of y 1 plus x, x 0 and x equal to 1. This is a region of integration, triangle BCA. X equal to 1 means equation of line parallel to y axis, x equal to 1. First integration a x square y square dx dy. The x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from 1 minus x to x plus 1. The limit 0 to 1 dx 1 minus x to x plus 1 x square y square dy. So first of all, we integrate with respect to y since limit in x. The 0 to 1 dx as constant, or first we integrate this integration 1 minus x to x plus 1 x square y square dy. Since limit in terms of x, then we integrate first with respect to y. 1 minus x, x plus 1 x square plus y square dy is equal to x square into y square, integration of y square is y cube by 3, limit 1 minus x to x plus 1. After simplify, first we will put upper limit, then minus lower limit, x square x plus 1 minus 1 minus x प्लस x प्लस 1 का होल क्यूब माइनस 1 माइनस x का होल क्यूब बाई 3 इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर. After simplify this, 2x 1 minus 1 cancel out, x plus x 2x and x square 2x plus x plus 1 का होल क्यूब माइनस 1 माइनस x का होल क्यूब बाई 3 इक्वल टू 2x क्यूब x plus 1 का होल क्यूब माइनस 1 माइनस x का होल क्यूब बाई 3. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाई, x क्यूब प्लस a प्लस b का होल क्यूब, a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab ब्रैकेट में a प्लस b. अप्लाई दिस फार्मूला, वी गेट x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 एंड 1 माइनस x का होल क्यूब 1 माइनस 3x प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस x क्यूब. So finally we get 2x cube plus 2x cube plus 6 square plus 6 by 3 is equal to 2x cube plus 2x cube by 3 plus 2x square plus 2x. So finally we get 6x cube plus 2x cube by 3 plus 2x square plus 2x is equal to 8x cube by 3 plus 2x square plus 2x. Solving the outer integral 0 to 1 into 8x cube by 3 plus 2x square plus 2x dx. X cube, integration of x cube, x power 4 by 4, 8 by 3, x power 4 by 4 means 8x power 4 by 12 plus x cube by 3 plus 2x square by 2, 2 to cancel, limit 0 to 1. The first of all we put upper limit 1, 8 into 1 to the power 4, 8 into 1 to the power 4 by 12 plus 2 to 1 to the power cube by 3 plus 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस लोअर लिमिट, तो लोअर लिमिट टोटली 0. तो फाइनली 8 by 12 इक्वल टू 8 by 12 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1, 4 2 is 8, 4 is 12 and 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1. Four by 3 equal to 4 by 3 plus 1. फाइनली जो है 5 by 3. This is the answer of this integration, this question. Next, example third, evaluate double integral r x y dx dy, where r is the quadrant of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, where x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. The equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square, where x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. So from figure this is x axis, ox is x axis, y axis, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than 0. It means the circle lies in only first quadrant. First quadrant, x greater than 0, and in first quadrant, x and y both are positive. It means the part of circle lies only in first quadrant. First quadrant, this is origin, coordinate 0, 0. This is circle, x square plus y square equal to a square, or y square equal to a square minus x square. This is y on x axis, y 0, and here y square equal to a square minus x square, or y is equal to under root a square minus x square. The limit of y are y is equal to 0 to y is equal to under root a square minus x square, and the limit of x are the limit of x are the coordinate of a is a0. The equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Put y is equal to 0. X square is equal to a. X square equal to a. X square equal to a. This means x is equal to plus minus a. X equal to plus minus a. The minus a is here and plus a is here. The minus a is out of the range. So coordinate of a is a comma 0. The limit of x are x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Finally, the value of this integral, it is noted by I. The x coordinate of x 0 to a, the limit of x are 0 to a, and limit of y are 0 to under root a square minus x square. Finally, the value of this integral is I is equal to 0 to a x dx and 0 to under root a square minus x square y dy. Since limit in terms of x, the first we integrate with respect to y and taking x constant. 0 to a x dx is constant, 0 to a square minus x square y dy. First we integrate 0 to a square minus y square y dy, 0 to a x, the integration of y with respect to y square by 2, limit is 0 to under root a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to a x is x, or y square means a square minus x square whole square means a square minus x square dx. After multiplying x and is equal to 1 by 2 x a square minus x cube dx, and integrating then with respect to x, a square x square by 2 minus x to power 4 by 4, limit 0 to a 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 a to the power 4 by 2 minus a to the power 4 by 4. So finally simplify, we get a to the power 4 by 8. The answer is a to the power 4 by 8. Next example, evaluate double integral a x y dx dy, where a is the domain bounded by x axis the line x equal to 2a and the curve x square equal to 4ay. From this figure, given that x-axis means y is equal to 0, this is x-axis, ox is x-axis, oy this is y-axis. From the given condition, x-axis means y is equal to 0, ax equal to 2a, x equal to 2a means equation of straight line parallel to y-axis, this is y-axis, so x equal to 2a, this is x equal to 2a, and the curve is x square equal to 4ay, this is equation of parabola. X square equal to 4ay is a parabola. Parabola means x square is equal to 4ay. This is parabola, x-axis, y-axis 0. This is equation of parabola x square equal to 4ay. This is 4a, x square equal to 4ay. The region of integration is OAB. OAB, we make vertical strip, so y equal to 0 and here y equal to x square by 4a. Since y x square equal to 4ay, so y equal to x square by 4a. The lower limit of y is 0 and upper limit of y is x square by 4a. So y varies from 0 to x square by 4a and x varies from 0 to 2a and x varies from 0 to 2a. It is clear that the limit of x is 0 to 2a and the limit of y is 0 to x square by 4a. We evaluate the value of integral. The given integral becomes 0 to 2a dx, 0 to x square by 4a xy dy. Since limit in terms of x, the first we integrate with respect to y, x dx and 0 to 2a dx and 0 to 2a x dx is constant, 0 to x square by 4a y dy. So y dy, the integration of y is y square by 2 or limit 0 to x square by 4a. So 0 to x square by 4a x y dy, x is constant, y square by 2. So first we put the limit, upper limit x square by 4a in place of y square, the x y square and x square by 4a, x power 4 by 32a square. So finally we simplify this, x to power 5 by 32a square. The value of this part x to power 5 by 32a square. Next we integrate with respect to x. Now the solving the outer integral 0 to 2a 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a, x to the power 5, x to the power 5 by 32 a square dx. 0 to x to 5 by 32 a square dx. So 1 by 32 a square is constant, is equal to 1 by 32 a square constant. X to the power 5 का इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x to the power 5 is x to the power 6 by 6, 0 to 2a, x to the power 6 by 6, then 1 upon 32 a square into 1 by 6, x to the power 6, यानी 2a to the power 6 minus lower limit 0 means 0 minus lower limit 0. So finally we simplify 1 by 32 a square into 1 by 6 into 2a to the power 6 is equal to 1 by 32 into 1 by 6 into 1 by a square into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into a to the power 6, a square cancel out. So 1 by 32 into 1 by 6, so 2, 3, 2 to your 4 to your 8 to your 16 to your 60, 32, 32 is cancel out, this 32. Finally we get a to the power 4, a to the power 4 by 3. This is the complete answer of this question. When limit of double integral is given, if limit in terms of x, then we integrate with respect to y, and if the limit of in terms of y, then we integrate with respect to x. If both limit are constant, x and y, then first integrate either x or y or vice versa. This is the complete answer of this. Or sometimes the limits are not given, then there is some region are given. So from this region we get the limit of x and y and evaluate similar as. Thank you.